Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start Maths of class 8 chapter number 1, that is rational number. Before starting the exercise, you should be clear with some points. Now first point is, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 to infinity. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on till infinity. All these numbers are called natural numbers. Now second point is, what are the whole numbers? The difference between whole number and natural number is just of 0. Natural number includes the numbers 1 to infinity and whole numbers include the number from 0 to infinity. They all are called whole numbers. Whole number can't be expressed in decimal or fraction. According to its name, its name is whole. It means complete. Now the third one is integers. What are the integers? Integers are the numbers which include all natural numbers and all whole numbers with their additive inverse. Means इंटीजर्स वो नंबर होते हैं उसमें सारे नेचुरल नंबर भी आपके इंक्लूड होंगे, होल नंबर भी इंक्लूड होंगे और उनके एडिटिव इनवर्स भी इंक्लूड होंगे. मींस 1 is a natural number and a whole number too. 1 it is also a integer and -1 is also a integer. Now the last point is, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers can be expressed in the form of fraction p by q, where p and q both are integers, and there is a one major clause, q should not be 0. इसका जो denominator है इस fraction का p by q का वो 0 नहीं होगा. If it is 0 then it will not be a rational number. Now ये है हमारा first question exercise 1.1. अब देखिए इसमें हमें क्या करना है. -2/3 multiply by 3/5 plus 5/2 minus 3/5 into 1/6. अब आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं इन दोनों में 3/5 is common, तो we will apply distributive property here. Distributive property का मतलब है कि अगर कोई भी फ्रैक्शन या नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है और उनके बीच में एडिशन का साइन है या फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन भी हो सकता है, एंड इफ देयर इज समथिंग कॉमन इन दैट वी कैन टेक इट आउट. सो फर्स्ट वी विल अप्लाई हेयर commutative property, means we will rearrange this by using commutative property. Now it will become -2/3 multiply by 3/5 and we will take it here minus 3/5 multiply by 1/6 plus 5/2. Now you can see in these two 3/5 is common, so you will use by distributive law or property, you can say. Both are same. 3/5 we have taken common, it is a sign of multiplication here, minus 2/3, and in between these two there is a sign of subtraction, you can see, so we will put a sign of subtraction here. Now 3/5. Now we will take the LCM here. 3 and 6 LCM will be 6. 6 here, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, -4 -1 plus 5/2. Now 3/5 multiply by minus is minus, sign will be of minus 5/6 plus 5/2. We are left with this 3 2s are 6 and this will be cancelled with this, -1 is left here. Now -1/2 plus 5/2. Now we all know minus plus is always minus and sign we use of greater number. Here greater is 5, it is of plus sign, so our answer will be 4/2. Now 2 2s are 4, so here 2 is our answer. So in this question we have used two properties, commutative property and distributive property. Now we are starting the second question. So now you can see here second question is write the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse means negative of that fraction or number. Here it is 2 by 8, so it will become minus 2 by 8. Now we will do the second part here. Second part is minus 5 by 9. As I told you, additive inverse means negative of that number. So we will put a minus sign here, and this is minus 5 by 9. Minus minus in multiplication always become plus. So answer is 5 by 9. Rest of the parts you have to try yourself. Now we will start the question number 3rd. First part. See the question, what they are asking. Verify that minus bracket start minus x is equal to x. This I have told you in the second question also. Minus multiplied by minus always becomes plus. So we will do first part of this. X is equal to 11 by 15. So they are saying minus is equal to x. So we are taking left hand side. Minus we will first, this minus will be out of bracket. Now this minus inside the bracket, and the value of x is 11 by 15. Minus multiply by minus becomes plus. It is equal to right hand side. Proved or verified. You can write one thing. Now we are starting with question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse. Students, first in the second question I have told you about additive inverse. It means negative of any number, fraction or integer, and multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Reciprocal you all know. Now we are doing one question here. Second part is minus 13 upon 19. So reciprocal means opposite of this fraction, 19 upon 13. Minus you can put here and here also. The thing is same. Now we are doing the fourth part. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by minus 3 by 7. So before finding out its multiplicative inverse, first we will solve this question. It will become 15. 3 5s are 15 and minus minus become plus. 8 7s are 56. So its multiplicative inverse is 56 upon 15. This is the answer. Now we have to focus on the question number 5th. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. In this question you have to told the property used in it. You can see here minus 4 by 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप किसी भी नंबर को जब 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसमें चाहे आप उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 लिखें या 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दैट नंबर लिखें, द आंसर विल बी सेम. So which property is used here? It is multiplicative identity. We are using here multiplicative identity or property. Thing is same. Now see the second part. Minus 13 upon 17 multiplied by minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 upon 17. You can see here what they have done. Here it is A into B is equal to B into A. When we rearrange the numbers, there we apply the commutative property. जब हम numbers को सिर्फ rearrange करते हैं, A into B को हमने लिख दिया is equal to B into A. Answers of both will be same. So this is commutative property. Now see the third part. Minus 19 upon 29 multiplied by 29 upon 19 is equal to 1. See, when we multiply any number with its multiplicative inverse, always answer is 1. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स यानी कि उसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर आएगा हमेशा 1. Now question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of -7/16, इसमें हमें क्या करना है, 6/13 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है -7/16 के रेसिप्रोकल से. मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 6/13 विथ 16/-7. This you can do. This is very easy. Now again the seventh question. Tell what properties allows you to compute 1/3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 as 1/3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4/3. अब आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं दो फ्रैक्शन है और एक नंबर है जो इन्होंने यूज किया मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए. यहाँ पर जो ब्रैकेट है वो 6 इंटू 4/3 में है. यहाँ पर जो ब्रैकेट है वो 1/3 इंटू 6 में है. जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं नंबर्स को, उसमें अगर हम ब्रैकेट चेंज भी कर देते हैं, द आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी सेम इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एंड दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. एसोसिएटिव मीन्स सिर्फ हमने ब्रैकेट को चेंज करना होता है, और ये प्रॉपर्टी सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन में ही अप्लाई होती है. तो इट इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगर यहाँ पे डिवीजन होगा देन आंसर विल नॉट बी सेम, सो वी कांट राइट इट लाइक दिस. यानी कि अगर यहाँ पे डिवाइड होता 1/3 डिवाइडेड बाय ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, देन वी कांट राइट इट एज लाइक दिस. इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड इन एडिशन ओनली एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज अप्लाइड. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. दिस आई विल टेल यू ऑन पेपर. Is 8/9 the multiplicative inverse of -1/8? Now see here, question number 8 we are starting. 8/9 हमें बताना है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स है -1/8 का. तो हम लेते हैं यहाँ पे -1/8. तो पहले हम इसे चेंज करेंगे फ्रैक्शन में. 8 1 ज़ा 8 एंड +1 9/8, ये है माइनस. ठीक है. अब हमें बताना है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स का मतलब होता है रेसिप्रोकल. तो ये हो गया हमारा 8/9, बट हेयर इट इज अ माइनस. तो 8/9 इस नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स कैसे हो सकता है? क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में साइन नहीं चेंज होता. साइंस आर चेंज्ड इन एडिटिव इनवर्स. सो दिस 8/9 is not the multiplicative inverse of -1/8, because the multiplicative inverse of this is -8/9. Here answer is in negative and it is in positive. So it is not the multiplicative inverse. Now our next question is, you can see here, is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1/3? Why or why not? This we will solve on the paper here. Question number 9. अब हम लेते हैं नंबर 3 1/3. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स निकालने से पहले हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. 3 3 ज़ा 9, 9 and 1 10. 10/3 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स हो गया. 10/3 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स हो गया 3/10. So if we divide 3/10, we will get 0.3. Yes, we can say 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of this. क्योंकि जब हम इस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को पहले इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में हमने चेंज किया, we got 10/3. Then we find out the reciprocal of this. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. The reciprocal of 10/3 is 3/10. And if we divide this 3/10, we will get 0.3.